Man, say man, look man, this your boy Life of KD. I'm back on the cam, bro. I ain't been on the cam in a minute. I ain't gonna lie, but I'm here with some big news. You feel me? I ain't been on the cam because I've been grinding. You know what I'm saying? Your boy don't get paid from YouTube, so y'all know I have to grind my 9 to 5. You feel me? Your boy finna move, no cap. Is this saying I got 2 minutes on my memory card? I hope not. But your boy finna move, man. I move tomorrow morning, bro. Me and my girlfriend. I move tomorrow, man. You feel me? Got everything packed up, bro. Shoes, you know what I'm saying? Bags and stuff, bro. Chairs, everything. Everything, just everything. You feel me? So, yeah, though, man. I was just trying to update y'all, bro, because y'all gonna see the footage and everything, what's going on. Y'all gonna get a empty apartment tour, then y'all gonna get a furnished apartment tour. This is just coming with the vlog because I already had a vlog going, so why not? You feel me? But yeah though, y'all. I'm gonna catch back up with y'all in a minute. We finna go in our apartment for the first time. Y'all ain't gonna be able to see nothing yet, because I gotta keep it low, you feel me? But come on. We trying to get in here. Ooh, we got that motherfucker. We in there, bitch. Hey, man. Our apartment, we got that motherfucker, man. Y'all see how we coming, man. Y'all see how we coming, man. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. This is the exact one she showed us, too. Oh, my God. We got 2 closets, bro. I'm going to give y'all a full tour. I don't even know where the light's at in here, but I'm going to give y'all a full tour, bro. But hey, man. All you got to do is grind, gang. No cap. If you put the work in, you get what you want. We was grinding for literally, we didn't have to grind for that long, honestly, but we was grinding for literally a month straight, bro, just to get this crib. So, bro, y'all see I had to put down the cam for a little bit and get right, but we got right, bro. We got the crib, man. So, hey.
Y'all,
It's up, bro.
Y'all, we did
it's
it.
Up,
I
bro.
look a mess.
It's up,
we
bro.
Look a mess.
It's up, bro.
We did it.
We didn't even move our stuff in yet, but you feel me? We finna, bro, this is crazy, bro. This is our first crib, like our actual first crib together. Like our other crib was ours, but it didn't have our name on it. This shit got our name on it. Like, no funny, no none of that. Like, you feel me? So, I'm finna give y'all a tour. Yeah, we just gonna go from there, bro. I'm excited. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy, Life of KD, back at it with another video. And today, man, you know what I'm saying? As y'all can see, you feel me? Your boy done got an apartment. Me and my girlfriend, we done moved in. She behind the camera, but she being low key today, you feel me? So we just gonna go with that. But I'm finna show y'all around my crib, man. You feel me? It's a 1 bedroom, you know what I'm saying? It's smaller than our old one, but we did not do this video in our old apartment. So, if y'all can hear the echo too, my bad, bro. We can't really do nothing about it, it's empty right now. But come this way, y'all, you feel me? We gonna start right here. Matter of fact, we gonna start right here. Look this way. So boom, we got the mirror right here, you feel me? Big boy mirror, you know what I'm saying? Don't really gotta buy a mirror. I was finna go buy one just for the simple fact that, like, the other mirror I got at the crib is too, like, I'm too tall for it, bro, so it's like little. But I'm gonna come this way, you feel me? Swing these up, you know what I'm saying? We got a storage closet right here. You know what I'm saying? Just like a little regular storage closet, you feel me? You put like a little jacket up here. Whatever, you put the trash in there, realistically, I ain't even think of that. You put the trash in there. But, we got a pantry, bro. I haven't had a pantry in like a crib in so long, except like a house that I used to live in. Mind y'all, I don't even live in houses. I lived in the house one time. You feel me? So, we doing something. This the kitchen, you feel me? I don't really do too much magic in the kitchen, if you get what I'm saying, but, you know what I'm saying? My girl gonna have her fun here. I ain't gonna lie, I just realized that our sink don't got a divider in the middle. But, yeah. We got the fridge. I ain't gonna lie, I haven't even opened this. Oh, this is too close to the wall. But, yeah, yo, we got our fridge, you feel me? Little freezer. No ice maker. I ain't gonna lie, bro. Realistically, y'all, I just now, like, pay attention to this. So, like, y'all seeing the real, you feel me? Then you come in here right quick. I ain't gonna lie, this is a little small room, you know what I'm saying? It's really for the washer and dryer. We haven't moved our stuff in, obviously, so we don't have a washer and dryer here yet, but we gonna get it. That's coming soon. Y'all come this way, man. Y'all come this way. You feel me? Welcome to my living room, you know what I'm saying? Where some of the magic can happen, you feel me? But I don't really know how we gonna do it yet, cause it's like a little shape, you feel me? But we gonna make it work for sure. We gotta get a mount for our TV, bro. We got a big mount. I mean, a big TV. It's like a 65-inch. Probably throw it up on the wall somewhere, you feel me? So, I think we wanna do it over here, maybe, actually. yeah, though, y'all, we gonna figure that out. I'm gonna give y'all a furnished house tour also whenever we get that situated. But yeah, as y'all can see, we got a little nice, decent space living room. I don't really sit in the living room though, y'all. Like honestly, and one other thing I can say, if y'all know, but I had a gaming room in my other apartment, and we don't got 2 rooms here. So I don't know where my gaming setup is gonna go, but we gonna figure that out too. It's probably not gonna go out here because it's gonna be for like the guests and stuff like that. But y'all come this way, man. As y'all can see, man, we got we got a restaurant. You feel me? Y'all come this way, man. We got the garden tub right here. As y'all can see, we got the big boy tub. Take baths, take showers, whatever you want to do. You feel me? We got the pisser shitter. Yeah. It's my first time opening, bro. What is that? Like, bro. Gotta clean that dirty, bro. But yeah though, y'all, you feel me? Got the nice little white counters, you feel me? I think this is granite. I don't know, bro, but y'all let me know. We got the little bathroom sink, you feel me? It's my first time doing all of this, y'all. I ain't even lie to you, like, I ain't turned on no water, no none, so yeah, y'all, it's looking pretty solid though. My dad got that in his crib. But yeah, y'all, let's go to the room right quick. It's the last part, bro. The best part, you feel me? We got the bedroom, you know what I'm saying? This is a big bedroom, y'all. I ain't gonna lie, I think this is my biggest bedroom in a minute. You feel me? I had a room like this in my 3-story crib. Whoa, I'm not rich. No, I was living with somebody. But, you feel me? I had a room like this size, but it was to myself, you feel me? It's me and my girl in here. We'll probably put the bed right here. It's probably gonna be like how our regular room is set up. Y'all haven't seen that though, so that's really the beauty of these videos. Y'all haven't seen that yet, so y'all gonna get to learn how we set up stuff and how we do stuff, you feel me? Y'all come this way, man. I think this is gonna be my closet. You know what I'm saying? That y'all can see is like decent space, you feel me? I'll probably put my shoes up here, some shoes up top, you feel me? Shoes right here, you know what I'm saying? You boy got hella shoes, you feel me? Hang up my clothes. I probably need to get a dresser. Me and my girl got like too much clothes, bro, so we're gonna have to get a dresser and put it somewhere. But yeah, that's my closet. Then you come this way. It's my girl closet right here. You feel me? Yes, we got 2 closets. You know what I'm saying? It's her closet. It's literally the same setup. Mine may be like a small bit bigger, but you know what I'm saying? She can put her shoes right here, shoes right here. She's not putting no shoes up here. She can't even reach that. You feel me? Then probably put her little makeup stuff or whatever, whatnot. I don't know how she gonna do it. Y'all gonna see how she gonna do it whenever she jump on the cam. You feel me? But we got the balcony. I ain't even gonna lie. I'm not showing y'all the balcony, bro. Just cause I feel like that's just too much recording. You feel me? Not like that, but like y'all don't need to know where I live at. Turn these lights off cause we ain't paying the bills yet. Wait, yes we is. What am I talking about? And yeah, y'all, you feel me? This is the crib though. As y'all can see, man, we done got a crib, man. You feel me? I just had to show y'all, bro. I haven't been on the cam in a minute, so I had to come bring this to y'all. All right, y'all. So look, man, we done brought, you know what I'm saying, decent amount of stuff in, man. You feel me? It's empty. We not standing here for day one, man. It's nighttime, as y'all can see, bro. But we not standing here. We not standing here for day one. You feel me? We still got the other crib, so we're gonna be over there for a little second for like a week. Only because we gotta move our furniture, and I'm currently like waiting to do that. So yeah, bro, we not staying here yet. I low key, high key want to, because I ain't gonna lie, I'm ready to get in a new crib, bro. But you feel me? I still gotta go get the Wi-Fi, bro. Earlier it was some mishap with that, so I'ma probably do that tomorrow. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all, bro, cause tomorrow's Saturday, bro. I can just run errands while my girl at work or something like that, and then yeah, make sure everything good. Come here, set stuff up. You feel me? Do what I gotta do. You know, make it better, easier for us, and then we're gonna move our furniture sometime like next week. You feel me? But yeah, y'all, man, your boy got his crib, man. Me and my girl, she right there, but she doing something right now. But yeah, man, we got the crib, man. I'm tired, as y'all can see, bro. My voice is gone. Like, I'm tired, bro. It's been a long week, man, but we got it done. You feel me? Hey, man, y'all stay on y'all grind, bro, because this is what I had to do to get this, bro. This ain't come easy, bro. I keep saying this, bro, because dead serious, bro. It was literally like luck that got me this, bro. Like, not really luck and hard work, but like, you know, it was more like, you feel me? Just stay on your grind, bro. I don't even know. I'm tired. But I love y'all, man. I'm gonna catch up with y'all probably tomorrow. I'll pick this back up or something. But yeah. What's good, YouTube? You feel me? It's your boy KD back on the cam, you know what I'm saying? As y'all can see, I'm back at the new crib. You feel me? It is the next day. I do got on the same fit. Bro, I don't care, bro. You feel me? Second day, same thing. You feel me? Yeah, I done got the Wi-Fi though, you feel me? So I'm finna set up the Wi-Fi. I done brought some more stuff in here, as y'all can see. Y'all look at my closet, I put the bags in here. It's a little suitcase, it got my stuff in it. Then I put all my shoes in here, you feel me? So what I'm finna do next is I'm finna go out here, you know what I'm saying? Go out here to the living room right quick. And I gotta set up these joints, you feel me? The camera. Y'all know what that is, y'all know home security, you feel me? But yeah, y'all, I just had to pick up the camera, update y'all right quick. Your boy is finna put this Wi-Fi together, and then I'm gonna probably catch up with y'all after I'm done doing that. So, yeah. All right, so look, y'all. As y'all can see, I put some of the stuff in the closet, bro. I am finna hang everything up and like fix it up. You feel me? So y'all finna see this in a second when I get done. Hey man, so look, bro. As y'all can see, it is nighttime, bro. It's the second day. We back at the crib, you feel me? I had to go pick up my girl from work, so it's a little update for y'all, right? So boom, come here. I had to bring my laptop, bro, because when I was here earlier, I was here for like 4 hours, bro, and didn't have nothing to listen to or nothing because my phone was finna die. Y'all see me in the mirror, man. Y'all see, this the room, you feel me, for day 2. I ended up setting up our Wi-Fi, you feel me, so I set up the Wi-Fi. And I got the closet semi-right, you feel me. I got it semi-right, bro. I don't really like how it's looking. I ain't gonna lie, but it's a closet, bro. You feel me? What can I say about a closet? But, you know what I'm saying? I think I'm finna finish the closet right now. And then, I don't really know, bro. Probably help her clean, honestly. Because I don't know what else to do in here. I ain't gonna cap. Because we really gotta clean everything before we can put stuff down anyway. So, that's probably what we're gonna do. But, I'm gonna catch back up with y'all in a minute. Y'all. So look, man, you feel me? It is, I don't know what day it is, bro. Honestly, bro, we moved in here on the 30th, 31st or something, bro. Today is the 6th of September. So, we've been here for like a week, bro, but we've been moving stuff back and forth. Like, we haven't stayed here one night yet, but we've been moving stuff back and forth. So I'm gonna show y'all what we got here so far. You feel me? We got the little posters I had in my game room, the flag that I had in my game room. I brought my game set up here last night because my Wi-Fi went out in my old apartment yesterday. So I had to sit right here, bro, play the game, you know what I'm saying, computer, everything, you feel me? We just brought this stuff, so this is like clothes. This is some more clothes, like a hamper, clothes in there, it's clothes in here. Y'all see my camera, bro. That's my camera from my crib, you know what I'm saying? Hey, you feel me? I brought my game chair, bro. I couldn't fit my desk, so I'm gonna have to find a way to fit my desk, bro, next time. But I did bring my game chair, you feel me? We got dishes in here that we need to take out. Like, we just got a lot of stuff that we gotta unpack. But, bro, honestly, we're officially in here tomorrow. Like, tomorrow the movers come to the crib, bro. They come grab all the furniture, bro. They were officially gonna be living here, bro. So, that's actually crazy. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. But I just had to keep y'all updated, bro, because I haven't updated y'all in a minute. But yeah, man, we in the new crib, man. You feel me? We just waiting to get everything moved in. So yeah, just keep y'all updated. All right, man. What's good, YouTube? You feel me? It's our last day in the old crib, bro. If y'all can see, I ain't never really just gave y'all a tour of this crib, bro. But y'all see it's like junky right now, but that's because, bro, it's our last day. My girl right there, you feel me? Bro, it's crazy. But y'all look, bro, I'm finna take y'all through a little crib tour, I guess. So this was my room for the longest, bro. This was my bedroom. If y'all know, y'all know. Y'all seen heck of videos from here. You know what I'm saying? It's very small, bro. I ain't gonna lie to you. Carpet is very bad right there. But, you know, things went on in here, you know what I'm saying? Got my bathroom right here. You know what I'm saying? Nothing too crazy, nothing too crazy. You feel me? Shower, you know what I'm saying? Then you come out of here. Go in here. This was my bedroom. But before my bedroom, this was my mama's bedroom, you feel me? Yeah, man. This one is like way more spacious, you feel me? It's the master bedroom, of course. It's me standing from the corner, you feel me? But yeah, man, had a bathroom right here. You know what I'm saying? Little bathroom, you feel me? Bathroom, get up. You had the shower right here. I mean, what the closet. I'm tired, y'all. You feel me? But yeah, man, I just had to show y'all, bro. This is our last day, bro. I'm tired. I'm finna go to sleep, bro. I'm finna pick up the camera in the morning, so I'm gonna catch y'all then. All right, YouTube, man. You know what I'm saying? Your boy is moving. I'm tired, bro. But you know what I'm saying? The moving truck is here, man. You feel me? Y'all get that buddy moving. You feel me? But I'm finna dip, bro. I gotta go to the crib so I can make sure everything cool. And then, yeah. So I'm just keeping y'all updated, bro. All right, y'all. So look, man, you feel me? We got our stuff in here, bro. Today was the day, bro. I recorded a very little, but we got our couch in here, you feel me? Everything, mirror, you know what I'm saying? Y'all see it wasn't nothing in here at first, bro. We got our bed in here finally. TV hung up, you know what I'm saying? My desk right here, you feel me? Oh my God, we in here. But we're gonna have to make sure that it really get like put together. But we here, man. You know what I'm saying? Got the new crib, you know what I'm saying? I got my camera set up too, you feel me? Ain't nobody finna be playing with me, bro. Quit playing with me, you know what I'm saying? But, yeah, man, I just had to show y'all, man. You feel me? I think this is the end of the video, though, because I moved in, you know what I'm saying? Everything is everything, you feel me? I've been recording for so long. Like, I've been recording this video for so long. What'd you say? Yeah. But, yeah, I've been recording for so long with this video, so I'm gonna end this video right here. I love y'all, man. I'm gonna catch y'all when I catch y'all.